I'll show you how easy it is to replace the rear shocks on this vehicle. Now I do got the vehicle jacked up, 21mm lug nuts, but I am using a secondary jack to kind of compress the spring a little bit, but we'll get that to a second little later on. But really easy, start off right here and 19mm bolt head. Yeah, it's a long one. Having this extra wrench to help pull saves you a lot of frustration. Now let's head underneath. Okay, so how this one works is it's a 19mm. Okay, take that off. Now there's the nut, and then there's a metal washer, and on the other side is it's weird. It's not a bolt head per se, but all you gotta do is just pop that out. You actually don't have to take that out. Just wiggle that down. It's not coming out, so get some sort of prying tool and get that out of here. Okay, so it's kind of like grooves in there. I can't see it, but it kind of lines up. And I already have the bolt fed through. Now I'm just going to wiggle, wiggle, wiggle until it all lines up. Like that, perfect. And down here, we can kind of slide that out. And then now I'm just going to use this lower jack right here. And I'm just going to slightly raise it. Got it. Almost there. All right, perfect. Now we'll add our washer. Hopefully we got enough threads for that nut, which we do. Now the great thing about this is that bolt won't spin up front, that bolt head. So all we gotta do is just tighten it. There, it's in there. And you're done. That is how fast it is. First side went faster than second side, but that's usually how it is when you're filming, but should take you about 10 minutes. And it'll save you like $400 or $500. I forgot the exact quote, but it was $400 or $500 bucks. You could buy the shocks for less than $100. Like, subscribe, and see you guys next time.